What's good? It's Chigozie. Sunday, November 3rd, 2019. Check out this very clear ritual from the Scottish Rite Freemasons, who run the space program. This cannot be a more perfect day for space propaganda from NASA, which is run by the Scottish Rite Freemasons. NASA founded July 29th, 1958, a date with 113 numerology. So today is what? November 3rd. 1/1/3, 11/3, just like 113. So it does not stop there at all. We're going to look at this real quick and show you how exactly the Scottish Rite Freemasons put out this propaganda by the numbers. Scottish equals 113 using the alphabetical order. S is the 19th letter, C is the 3rd, O is the 15th, T is the 20th. You just add them, 113. So, NASA founded 7 plus 29 plus 19 plus 58, 113. Freemasonry also equals 58 in this gematria system. Today is what? November 3rd. And what are they saying? Cookie dough and an oven are headed to the space station. Cookie dough. Cookie dough, just using the alphabetical order, equals 113, just like Scottish. It also equals 59 like Freemasonry. Scottish equals 113.49 like cookie dough. How is this not exactly what we are learning on this channel? If my entire channel is about how these Scottish Rite Freemasons give you propaganda by the numbers, then it's already established at this point. We're 800 videos in. It's already been established that these people put out space propaganda by a specific code. The numbers for Scottish Rite Freemasonry and space and conspiracy, and they're all the same pattern anyway. Scottish 113, 49 when you reverse the alphabetical order and reduce each letter to a single digit. So reversing, S is 8, C is 24, 2 plus 4 is 6. So you do 8 plus 6. O is 12, 1 plus 2 is 3. That's all you do. And then forwards with reduction as well. That's all they're doing here. You see how they're giving you the numbers for the Scottish Rite inside this piece of propaganda, inside the date numerology. Today is a date with a live lesson number of 26. So again, not like last year, they probably didn't do this. Scottish 113 every single year, but now we get the space pattern along with it, and it's a date with 33 numerology, Masonry 33. That means there's going to be more Scottish Rite Freemasonry rituals today. There could even be a false flag. See how the police are here? 12-year-old, police equals 102 and 33. 102 is 12. You just drop the 0 in numerology. Police equals 33. They are the Scottish Rite Freemasons. They even have this, Triforce-looking yellow pyramid right here, just to show you who's putting this out. Police 33. Minivan is a coded thing. They like to code. I'm not sure if it equals 42. No, 44. Even better. 44. Today's a date with what? 44 numerology. 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 20 plus 19 equals 44. One last thing, overdose equals 113. So you see how on the front page propaganda, this is about an overdose right here from what? The police, the Scottish Rite Freemasons. 11 times 3 is 33. Another way to represent 33 with this. But Scottish 113, 103, like overdose. Do you see how there's clearly Scottish Rite Freemasonic rituals on the front page propaganda? I wasn't even trying to make a video showing you this. I wanted to show you specifically this, but now we're seeing how this fits in too. And now I want to see Betomania, see why. Well, Beto, 42 like Freemason. Betomania, 163 to 38th prime, 80, 35. The closest one I can see here is what? Scottish Rite Freemasonry. Scottish Rite of Freemasonry, 350, lot like 35. But even then, I don't see such a strong connection on this as opposed to this. And it just shows, it emphasizes, they're making these very specific. I like how they're being very specific because it shows that you can't blankly apply these very specific rituals to every last thing. This is about the police, which equals 33. They're obviously the Scottish Rite Freemasons, and they're putting that here. And then we get some here. So they don't do every last piece, completely blatantly coded with Scottish Rite Freemasons, but you can pick out which ones are. What shows is a very specific pattern. So space equals 26. S the 19th letter, 1 plus 9 is 10. So reducing S only once, 26, 44, 17. See what I'm saying? There's also a 28 when we're typing something out earlier with an overdose or something. There was a 107 to 28th prime. But let me not confuse you with too many more numbers. But I meant to call that out. But today's date with 33 numerology, there's 33 degrees of Scottish Rite Freemasonry, 33 pillars, and another temple. Space 1744. See what I'm saying? Today's the date with 58 days remaining. Freemasonry 58. So that's what I'm showing. So next year they probably won't have space stuff. Next year they'll probably have no. It'll be different because it's 2020. That's the beauty of this now. So some change to different numbers, but for overall it's the same. For example, like the life lesson number goes from 26 to 18 next year. It's not going to be 27 as you'd logically think. But I can already tell you, next year's going to be sun related. Not even that, it's going to be a leap year. So death, killing, murder 38, some Saturn ritual, sun ritual, but Judgment Order 54, murder 34. But they're not going to have space in the front page. They still probably could because it's always the Scottish Rite pattern, but it's highly unlikely they'll have this type of space stuff. And it won't be about cookie dough, which equals 113. I go to this extent to show you what you would expect next year, what you saw last year, to give you the frame of mind to see how it is specifically coded every single day. How the date numerology changes and what they're telling you about is completely different. And I can't forget this either. 307 is the 63rd prime. Today's the 307th day of the year, so look out for a lot of 63 branded coded crap. I don't know what space station equals. Space station 43 like Masonic, space station 74 like Masonic, time 61, 47. When you're at a 42, you get 142. We haven't even clicked on this yet. Oh, I just did. 1134, Jewish 34. Out of this world dessert, cookie dough, and oven headed to space station. They gave you this contrived photograph. See? Photo illustration. But why do they have to tell you this for you to, understand that? Why do they have to tell you it's a photo illustration for you to see that it's a photo illustration? Everything they give us is a photo illustration. Or the vast majority of what they give us. Provided in a press release by DoubleTree. I don't know what this is. I know there's a hotel called DoubleTree, but it's probably something different. But DoubleTree. D, the fourth letter, T the 20th. 420, 42, 42, like Freemason, DoubleTree. And you can see how they stylized it here. Capital D, capital T. It's from the Freemasons. DoubleTree 44, like space. 163.55, because we just had these numbers up. Oh my goodness. We had that up earlier. And isn't Betomania equals that? It's just the same numbers and patterns laced throughout the propaganda. And there's always more that I'm not seeing. But it's just we get Betomania 163.55. Now I talk about DoubleTree right here as well. But again, scratch this. I'm trying to keep it very simple. It equals 44 and 107, the 28th prime, as I was even trying to explain earlier with the other 107 we saw that I forgot to mention. These are important numbers. Space 44, 28. We're just using, again, the alphabetical order, the rules of numerology, reverse and alphabetical order, rules of numerology. That's all we've been doing for the most part. Or, no, like the whole time it's all we've been doing. I'm trying to keep this very simple. I don't mean to be super repetitive, but I hope you're catching on. Space equals 44. DoubleTree equals 44. 107, the 28th prime. So they do a prime number relationship to give you 28. Space 28. Right here. We haven't even looked at the first paragraph of the propaganda crap yet. Will they be fat and fluffy, chewy or crunchy? Who cares? They will be from the Scottish Rite Freemasons, and they'll be chocolate chip space cookies. But actually, technically, they're not. I mean, they're probably not going to go to space at all. They're not doing anything to play. So they're not even space cookies. They're probably not even cookies because they don't even exist. That's what I'm saying. A recipe on Pinterest with some chocolate chip cookies is more realistic than this shit. Because you actually have people making the shit, doing what it says they're supposed to do. Here you have Freemasons doing what they're supposed to do, giving you fake news propaganda. And see, and I love how they do this. Cookie dough, they let you know cookie dough again. They put it in the link to emphasize 113, cookie dough. Houston, we have a cookie. Oh, so it is DoubleTree by Hilton, the hotel. Hilton 33. You see what I'm saying? Hilton equals 33. 78, Scottish Rite 78. Masonry 84, 33 degrees of Scottish Rite Freemasonry. Hilton equals 33. Today's the date with 33 numerology. This is such a coded piece of crap from the federal government. Houston, we have a cookie equals 91, like space. Also saw at 305, Catholic 35. Here on November 2nd, they're talking about this. At 1111, 11 the master number. These are the master masons. 211 is the 47 prime, so 2/11. 211 is the 47 prime. First special number to Freemasonry as well. Their compass set at 47 degrees, time 47. I want to see what International Space Station equals. I love how this is a shorter piece of bullshit. Bullshit also equals 113. Masonry 105. Conspiracy 123. All these numbers for conspiracy and Freemasonry in the space program. It also equals 156. When you write out 33, you get 156. So you get Masonry, conspiracy, 33. You cannot make this up. And you see how we get these all here. Order out of Chaos 183, the reflection of 381. It is this pattern I'm trying to teach every single time. And then here's the base thing. I always try to preach. You want to do the base words. Cookies, and cookie. These are coded. Cookie 58. I mean, this is why they're using cookies in space. Freemasonry in space. Do you get the riddle? Freemasonry equals 58. Secret society equals 58. In God we trust equals 58. Annual coeptus equals 58. Things on the back of the dollar bill. These things equal 58, like Freemasonry, like secret society, like Rosicrucian. This is from the Rosicrucian order. They're putting this out. They run the space program. Plenty more things on the 58. Cookie equals 58. Unbelievable. That means cookies, drum roll, if you know gematria, cookies is going to equal, just like a cookie equals 32, 104. Real quick, America founded July 4th, 1776. Date with 32, life lesson number, 104 numerology. Jerusalem with a USA in the middle. Jerusalem equals those as well. Jerusalem, 104, 32. Scottish, 32. That's what I was going to say. Cookies, the plural, 32. And 100 and 112, like circle 112, mathematics 112, circle 112, 40. Power 77, 77th meridian, Washington, D.C. But here, November 2nd, that's where they had this crap tweet here from November 2nd. Cookies 112. See? Talking about cookies. And they even give us the hashtag. That means this is going to be coded as well. Cookies in space. Huh. 63. So what? Today now, what did I say? 307 is the 63rd prime number. Yes, the tweet was from the day before, but they're now putting this propaganda, this cooking space shit forward today. Freemasonic equals 63. 307 is the 63rd prime. 144. Time equals 144. Space equals 44. When you read out 44, you get 144. Just like cookies in space. You see what I'm saying? Paying homage to the 44 right here. I know this is probably blowing some of your mind, but all I can say is, guys, these are the Freemasons. This is how they run the space program. This is how the space program has always been run. NASA, France, Japan, Russia, all these global space agencies are all run by the same one world order. Cookies in space, also 81 like ritual, 234, plus its reflection, 666, going back to time as well. But again, the Jewish cipher, time equals 144. Light equals 144. Sign equals 144. There's another thing that I just realized as well. I can't remember it, but I will soon. That's on the 144 in this Jewish cipher that kind of was related. But it's just crazy. This is why my videos get a little long, because it's just been non-stop examples of these Scottish Rite Freemasons. And I love how they say, NASA said. Just to explain to you that NASA is part of this. This is their propaganda. They are the Scottish Rite Freemasons. NASA 35. For all those 35s we're seeing, it sucks. I should have said this earlier because that's their main number. They do things by number 35 all the time. 73. Mason equals 73. 28. The same cipher. Mason, NASA. NASA in Hebrew means to deceive. These are a gang of deceivers. It's just really sad how after this video, someone still won't see how this is from the Scottish Rite Freemasons. I really cannot believe how blatant this is. Cookie sums to the same thing. This is coming out 113. Cookie dough equals 113. They're founded with 113 numerology. It's the same consistent pattern that I've been trying to teach for years. So if I'm going years, explain the same exact pattern to look out for. I don't waver off it at all. And it's the same exact result every single time. I mean, just alone, we get space propaganda on it with 4417 numerology like, every single time. You know, I'm kind of wondering are they going to talk about Tesla today? Is Elon Musk going to come out and do some bullshit because Tesla equals 33? Elon Musk participates in propaganda shit by these exact numbers as well. But, you know, maybe not today. Maybe tonight for the market tomorrow. I don't know. We'll keep him on watch. But it is a good day for Elon Musk to be out. So see stuff from earlier. Nothing too big. I wouldn't really call this. Could the Virgin orbit beat SpaceX to Mars? I mean, it's all from the same gang. So there you have it. You know, plenty more missing. There's so much more missing, but no point digging for more. This video's gone long enough. So we'll seal the deal here. We can see how long this video is. I didn't think I saw that. Oh, 10 seconds. When you're out 10, you get 42 and 39, like masonry. Warm welcomes in 561 locations. What's the reflection of 561? You can probably guess. Scottish Rite equals 165, the reflection of that. So I'm trying to conclude the video, try my best to explain to you that these are the Scottish Rite Freemasons coding this propaganda by the numbers. It's always by numbers for the Scottish Rite of Space program. We see this video, and they're letting you know right away. Warm welcomes in 561 locations, reflection of 165, Scottish Rite 165. They're using numerology to give you this propaganda. Now it's 562. I mean, guys, you see what these people are doing. And there's something with that, too, that I can't exactly see. Unbelievable. What time did they even tweet this? Look at all the goy who probably liked this. Oh, 14, good. You know, at 12:11, you already saw that at 11:11. So there you have it. I mean, this is what the Freemasons do. Look at this. One giant leap for hospitality. It's coded. These people will put out stuff by the numbers. Catholic Church 132, Masonry 39, Federal 39138. You said the federal government is literally branding the propaganda. I'm trying to tell you that the federal government runs Hilton, DoubleTree, the Scottish Rite Freemasons, NASA, the space program. Federal is a one world order. Masonry 39, Zionism 39, Federal 13839. You said the coding what? And the reverse ordinal 390, a lot like 39, and then 138 when you reduce. One giant leap for hospitality. You get 132 like Catholic Church, like United States of America. Of course, you get 141. When you write out 33, you get 141. It's just the same. All my videos are the same, and this is what I mean. How are they not? Again, they're the Freemasons putting out more coded shit by the numbers. Nothing changed. Even DoubleTree's. Oh, there's a website? Oh, God. See, this is going to get bad. This is going to get bad. Houston, we have a cookie. Huh. See that 4 they had up there? See? Saw that.
Whether you've been traveling.
God 55, Satan 55. This is one of the numbers I like to use for the space program as well.
6 hours or 6
I've documented.
months. At DoubleTree by Hilton, we know exactly how to say welcome.
I'm not going to watch this whole
Welcome
thing.
back to Earth.
DT. See, this is bad. I'm going to close the video. This is really, really bad. But what, again, DT. D is the fourth letter. T is the second. Or T is the 20th. 42. 42. Freemason 42. Outer Space 42. See? Big number. Outer Space 42. Freemason, Masonry, all 42. DoubleTree. That's why they have that as well. DT, DoubleTree, 42. 019, KS19HZ. Equals 32 like Scottish. These are the Scottish Rite Freemasons. They are branding their propaganda and ritual. DT019HD. You just add those in gematria. 32. When you reduce all of them. And 68. Pillar 6832. Pillars of Freemasonry. See what I'm saying? We also get 24, the reflection of 42 in there. This is how they run it. By the numbers. And you give you the Toyota. You know, Toyota 24, 30. 113 is the 30th prime. Freemason 42, Freemason 96. Like Toyota, these are the Freemasons. It's Freemason pattern in space stuff.
Long journey. For 50 years, we've been sharing our unique...
For 50 years? Really? Scottish 50. For 50 years. They've been using all these numbers the entire video. America 50, Scottish 50. For 50 years, these Scottish Rite Freemasons right here inside this ritual by the numbers. Got this black man holding the red flag for him. Got the blue thing here too and the caddy. Pillars of Freemasonry.
Unique brand of hospitality. And millions of warm welcomes with travelers all over the world. Now, we're taking that hospitality...
See that kid? See what he was wearing? See what he was wearing?
Of warm welcomes with travelers all over the world.
Red and blue Pillars of Freemasonry. Always, all the time, every single word, worldwide.
Now, we're taking that hospitality and warm welcome out of this world.
Occult
and
logo.
Into the future. This year, our famous warm chocolate chip cookie.
They counted down to 4, 3, 2. They even say 1, 4, 3, 2. The reflection of that is 4, 3, 2 plus reflection. 2, 3, 4 gives you 6, 6, 6. Connecting back to time. Guys, these commercials are so easy to piece through. It's the same symbolism, just like that every single time.
Our famous warm chocolate chip cookie.
You even saw the painting.
This year.
I don't mean to jump around. Look at the 4, 3, 2. Then look at the good geometry.
Warm welcome out of this world and into the future. This year, our famous warm chocolate chip cookies will be the first food ever baked fresh in space. Because at DoubleTree, we believe that hospitality isn't bound by gravity.
Yeah, it's bound by Freemasonry. It's bound by this brotherhood, by the numbers. Tree, the tree of life, DoubleTree. Do you see what these Kabbalists are doing? Even got the Saturn logo on his chest. See? Saturn, space, 2 cookies right here. We're up 2, we get 58 like Freemasonry. These are the Freemasons. DoubleTree is from Hilton, which is from the Freemasons. I think we've seen enough. Peace out.